Today we are writing a program to find the average number of a list. So what we are going to do is to, first of all, we don't know the set of number, the total set of number yet, and also we need to define our list. So first of all, the list has to be defined. List. If you want to declare your list, we need to assign this bracket into it, open and close brackets. Then now, n should represent the total numbers to find. So then I'm going to use int to convert the input number into integer. So you now use your input statement, input function. So to enter the numbers of data to be found, enter the numbers. So then after that, you set an iteration for that. An iteration, we can make use of 4 statements. 4. So for k in range n, open parentheses, we'll put n. So it will count from 0 to whatever there, to a letter before a 0. It will count from 0 to whatever we enter there, -1. So now let's now input one statement to be ask A. Our data, let it be A. Input data where is equal to, we convert it to integer by int, and also we use input function. So input function. So input function. Enter the value of enter the value. So we'll close the other which has been closed. So we can now assign this value into our list. List dot append. We use append to add the value, just input into list. So it has been added into our list. So the next one is we can get out of the loop. So already we have gotten the number. So we can sum average. Let's print out the list so that we know the total numbers. The total numbers being entered should be printed out. So the list of value we entered. So we should put it there, comma, LST, enter. So let's print out average. Our average is, we can use some function, is allow the average is so we use some function that is we sum the list divided by the total number, which will give us the average. So let's try to run our program. Let's enter 6 number. The first value is 5, the second value is 6, the third value is 7, 5, 4, 8. So it has done it. The system printed the list value and the average is gotten. Thanks.